Okay. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Digital Experience Retro Meeting. Today is Thursday, December 1st, and we're going to go over a retrospective of the last iteration and things that went well and things to bring up and things to improve on. First thing for things to bring up is John.
Thank you, Laura. For this iteration, we are happy to announce that we ran our first changelog job. It went really good. Right now we have some results. I want to thank you all the team for committing with the conventional commits. That was great because we had results. Let me show you. So this is our first changelog file with some experimentation that we did on this iteration. And we found some things that can be improved if we want to keep up with the experimentation before deciding if we want to make it work on various experience or sleepers or navigation or the three of them. So the first thing that I found is that when you do a merge request and you merge that merge request into main, there are two commits, two different commits. One is the squashing commit that, let's say, is this one. Let me highlight this one. And the merge commit that is this other one. So what happened here is that we use conventional commit in both messages, and the analyzer detected both and thought that were two different commits, but they are the same. It's just a thing from GitLab. One recommended solution is that we can use these conventional commit messages only in the merge commit message. I think that can be confusing, but when you are reviewing and merging a page, you can see two different text boxes, one for the commit message and one for the squash. Only apply a conventional commit to one of them. That is the solution for this problem. Another thing that I detected is all these commits are marked as features, but if you go and see, let's see this one. So if you go and see, it's only a content change. So this is more like a document type or a core short type. So this is because a feature is a big thing that may be a new page or a new component or a big functionality. And in this case, it's not relevant for the changelog file. So in this case, it can be document or refactor or short. Sorry for the word, I cannot pronounce it, or short. So that's why Javi mentioned why this commit didn't get through the changelog file. So it's because it was a short commit. So for the job, it is not relevant. For the job, it's only relevant bug fixes, features, or breaking changes. And we are right now on version 1.0.0, and because the biggest change was a feature, it increased the major version and not the patch version. If there aren't any feature, it will increase the patch version, the last one. And that's it. That's it for the explanation. Thank you very much again for adding your commit messages and using conventional commits. And if you have any questions, you can add it to the document or ask it here. Thank you. Next one is if there are no questions, Laura.
Thank you. And thanks for showing that. For things that went well, yes. So we're finishing up, I guess, the Major League Hacking Fellowship cohort, I think next week. And Megan mentioned this in a meeting earlier, all the great work that's been done, a lot of improvements to slippers. I can let someone else discuss all of that because I haven't been involved. But thank you so much to everyone who was involved. I know there was a lot of design lift. I think Barker was heavily involved, but especially Megan was. I saw her everywhere in all those commits. So thank you so much, Megan, for doing that. I have the next one as well, which is Miguel's mustache. It's extremely good and has brought me a lot of joy today. If you look at this picture from our sprint meeting, you literally can't tell which one is Miguel. We are all the same. This is all one person. It is incredible. We don't know if it's a November thing, but we hope it stays. I'll pass it on to
permanent. It's permanent.
Oh man, it's so good. Okay, Megan?
Wow, it's a really big mustache. Thank you, Nathan, for all your help with slippers. I've never published an NPM package before. I don't know how I made it this long as a developer, but thanks for your guidance through that. It was not as scary as I thought, even though I broke it. All right, you have the next one.
You didn't break it. I don't know what happened. I've never seen that before. It was like everything, I don't know, just anomaly. Pretend it never happened. But yeah, no problem. And thanks for all the, I wanted to mention it earlier, but I didn't want to interrupt all the MLH, I can't remember the abbreviation, MLHF, that's what it is. I know it's a lot of work and organizing all the issues and everything, so much appreciated. And thank you, Lauren, for Fastly Access and manually deleting the whatever, that one key or two keys, I guess it was, in the Fastly redirect dictionary, because going through the API was a nightmare. So thank you. Thanks for having the keys and doing it.
Yeah,
No.
double thanks also to you, Nathan, for helping us work through that. It's scary logging into Fastly and having the ability to just blow up our whole site and just make it disappear. And so that is a double thanks to David Smith, who hopped on the call also and, able to ask him some questions of like, can we just set a whole new Fastly configuration? And can we purge the cache? Like, I'm not really sure. So that was cool.
That's a good learning experience for us too. And not to be as scared as Fastly, or we still will be, but it's nice to know we can do like a couple things. I think I have the next one. But yeah, it's not like something that we're doing poorly on. I just thought with December, there's probably going to be a lot of PTO. We're probably not going to have a lot of like these lightning strike pages. It's probably going to be quieter. So I thought it might be a good opportunity for us to work on, like, I don't know, the projects that we want to work on or the dev tools we want to create. And so just like I don't know, like an open invite kind of thing to let's build some cool stuff that'll help us. Yeah. Lauren, I don't know if you want to vocalize that.
Yeah. So while you're in idle, you're working on stuff and you've crushed all your stuff you're assigned for the iteration and you don't have anything to work on, please, by all means, work on our repository health. You are the experts. You are working with the code base in and out. Y'all have great ideas of like what's going to make it run better. So feel free to just spin up an issue and get an MR started. You should be able to context shift away from that work quickly if needed. So let's say something comes in and we have to pull you back. That's priority, but we just want to let y'all know that, you can do that. And then I have the second one. Let's start organizing a way to give our feedback on the change log process. I mean, that's a huge change for us and how we make our commits. And I see that John put a link in the chat that I'll drop in on there. Yeah, let's run our feedback on this first one. Let's, drop it in there. I think there's things we still need to improve on. It's not perfect. We're all learning. So by all means, think about it. Organize your thoughts and please drop your threads in there.
All right, and with that, I think we're all done. Thank you so much, and we will see you next time. Yeah.